no applications icon on the dock down in the lower right hand corner here. And I can put that on there, but there are a couple of other ways of finding an application that you want to use more quickly and more efficiently than to use that old button that used to be on the dock. Instead, there's an app built into Mountain Lion called Launchpad, and you'll find that on the other side of the dock next to the Finder icon. You've got a little rocket ship, and that is our Launchpad icon. And when I click it, I get a bunch of icons appearing on a page. I have 2 pages of different application icons on my screen, and I can simply take 2 fingers and swipe across to see the other page, or I can click on the little dot just above the dock to go from page to page. If there were one, I'm just not seeing it. My eyes aren't focusing in on the names. If I knew what it was called, then I can start typing it in and it appears, and I can get rid of that and they all come back to me. There are some other things I could do with Launchpad. For example, you're going to notice I have 3 different applications, all having something to do with Google. I've got Google Chrome, Google Notifier, and Google Drive. Well, if I wanted to group them all together, then what I can do is I can create a folder, kind of like over here we have this other folder with a bunch of just miscellaneous things that didn't seem to fit. And you can see that there are quite a few things in there. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a folder that's called Google, and I'm going to just simply take Google Notifier and drag it on top of Google Chrome. And when I do that, it creates a new folder. I don't want to call it productivity, so I'm going to click where it says productivity, and now I'm going to put Google on there. And then I can click back on my Launchpad desktop, and I'm going to take Google Drive and put that in there. And so now what I have on my Launchpad is I have a Google folder, and I can open that up and then simply click on the item that I want to use. Now, maybe I don't want that to happen anymore. Maybe I don't want there to be a Google folder. All I have to do to remove something from a folder is drag it out of the box. And once I've taken that next to the last item out, and that would just have left Google Chrome all by itself, then there's no folder anymore. You're not going to have a folder or a file with just one item in it. So that's your Launchpad. Very quick and easy way of getting to any application that you might want to use.